Hey there friends, welcome to Cooking is Coping. This is a cooking web series, I guess. It's called Cooking is Coping because my therapist suggested that cooking would be a productive way to handle the anxiety that comes from having switched to a career in stand-up comedy, midlife with no path, no plans, no future, and just doing it anyway and then acting surprised when it makes me feel crazy. So instead of drinking and doing drugs, I cook. This first recipe is going to be for buffalo cauliflower, which combines the fattening comfort food benefits of buffalo wings with the dietary fiber and vitamins of cauliflower, but flavor-wise it kind of nets out on the comfort food side of things. I'm going to use so much butter you won't even notice the vitamins slipping into your system. But before we get to cooking, I want to address one thing here. Yes, I am cooking in a filthy kitchen. That is a giant pile of dirty dishes, but shut up, okay? Don't judge me. We are in a global pandemic. Everybody's been quarantined for at least a week. Anybody with a sense of social responsibility has been quarantined for a week. If you're home, in your home, cooking all week, and you're busy, you're reading the news, you're protecting your retirement portfolio, you're not elbow deep in suds scrubbing crumbs off of pots, okay? And if you are, and you are home during a quarantine doing your part and you do have a clean kitchen, some other part of your life is complete shambles right now. Your bathroom is filthy or your kids are getting stupid by the day. That's as it should be. Everybody needs to do their part and fall apart at home a little bit. Let yourself slip. No flossing this week. It's okay.
All you need to make this is a bottle of Frank's Red Hot sauce or another vinegar-based sauce, a bottle of sriracha sauce. I like this brand. You can also use the Rooster, 2 sticks of rich creamery butter, some blue cheese crumbles for topping, and of course, 2 heads of cauliflower. That's it, and then a little olive oil just to finish it off. Now that you've got all the leaves trimmed off your cauliflower, what you want to do is just grab that bottle of olive oil there. See there? Yep. Just pour it out. You want to pour it all over your cauliflower. But first, give it a look over. Just give it a look. See that brownish gray stuff? That stuff right there. Look, it's not mold. It's probably not mold. It's probably fine. Cauliflowers do that sometime, and we'll slice it off just in case, but it's not mold, I swear. And even if it is, we got bigger contagions to worry about right now. The heat's going to kill this off. It's going to be fine. Don't worry about it. Nobody will notice it. You'll never notice it. Just don't look too closely at it. So just take that olive oil, pour it on there, just like that, and then rub it in. There you go. Sprinkle it with a little salt, and you're going to put it in the oven.
Now that I've covered this cauliflower with olive oil and covered it in salt, and I've gotten all my other ingredients ready, I'm just going to slide this into the oven, which is at about 350, 375. It's going to be in there for 30 minutes or until it's kind of golden brown and shrunk a little bit. Hold on here. Let's do that.
Okay, now the alarm's gone off. We're taking this out of the oven. See there? That's the kind of golden brown you want. We're going to pull in. See those little kind of crispy brownish bitsies? That's the kind of look you want. Nice, flavorful. Everything's come out. So we're going to let this cool, and I'm going to do those dishes real quick.
Okay, well, I just want to point out that I did manage to clean the dishes here while the cauliflower was in the oven. I'm going to point out here kind of what it looks like. I'm just about to take it out, and then we'll chop it up. And you know, this might have been initiated in a filthy environment, but it will be consumed in a clean environment. And so, you know, in times like these, you do the best you can with what you got.
Now that we've gotten the cauliflower out of the oven, we just want to take our chunks of it and see those bits, flip them over. See that stuff right there, that brownish black stuff? That is flavor. That's going to be delicious right there. That's exactly the vibe we're going for. So now we're just going to cut the florets off of the stalks, right? We don't want the florets to be too big. We don't want them to be too small. You don't want to choke on them, but you don't want to have to cut them up either. Again, right? Just perfect fork food right into the face. Now, see the stalk? A lot of people like to throw that stalk away, but not me, man. Just chop it up, put it in the mix. Nobody's going to notice. Just chop and repeat, right? We're going to do this with both heads of cauliflower. See those flavor chunks right there? That's what I'm talking about. That's going to be delicious. Now just get a measuring cup and pour 1 cup of your Frank's Red Hot and then 1 cup of your sriracha in there. Now I like to chop up 2 extra hot peppers just to zip it up a little. Then just get a saucepan and put your sauce in there, put your butter in there, right? Throw in your hot peppers, put the heat on, and just keep that butter moving around until it totally vanishes. I don't know, just take the time to do that. It's relaxing to sit there and watch a couple sticks of butter gradually disappear into some hot sauce. It's fulfilling. It's proof that your efforts in this world can demonstrate results, if only to make some butter change shape and become something delicious. Then all you got to do is wait till that butter has totally disappeared and start dropping your chopped roasted cauliflower into the sauce. Once you get a decent amount in there, I don't know, maybe this much, maybe a little more, stir it around until it is completely coated with sauce, just like this here. Then you're going to stop, you're going to put in a little more cauliflower, stir it around, and you just want to see all orange, no white. You want that sauce to be pretty evenly distributed throughout the mixture. And I don't know, it's just fulfilling. It's relaxing. Give yourself over to it. And then it's done. There you go. That's about it.
You're pretty much ready to go here. Now, you may have noticed that I put an entire cup of butter into there and thought, oh my God, what the hell is that guy doing? And you wouldn't be wrong to think it, but please keep in mind that this is swimming around in that sauce and a lot of it is going to get left behind. Overnight, this is going to secrete more and more water. It's going to get into the sauce. It's going to get runnier. More of it's going to run off. I'm not a scientist. I have no way of knowing how many actual fat molecules have been absorbed into the cauliflower and how many fat molecules are going to run off of the cauliflower and down the drain. Just like eat it and enjoy it and don't lick your plate and you're probably going to be fine. Listen, it is just hard right now. TV is already kind of not fun anymore. Video games are going to be boring by next week. Social media is killing us all slowly and rapidly, all at the same time. We're all going to look like old cigarette butts at the end of this plague, just from staring at Facebook all day. The last thing that human beings have to enjoy is the food and the way they make it. Just let the flavors come into you. Do some damn push-ups. Just enjoy. Let yourself enjoy. I'll be enjoying as soon as I put my phone down. It's been great doing this for you. Hope you make it. Hope you like this. Share it with your friends. And if enough people see it, I'll make another one. If not enough people see it, I'll feel left out and ashamed and never do this again. So either way, somebody's going to win. Thanks a lot. This is Cooking is Coping. Bye for now.